My friend recently asked if I had time to help him with something, and I said, "What is this something?" He said he wants to refresh his old medicine cabinet that has been collecting dust in his garage. Then I asked him, "What do you mean by refresh?" And he laughed and immediately said, "Make it presentable so I can install it into my rental property." So while I'm at his place, we went to the garage to take a quick look. And as I'm looking at it initially, I don't really see anything wrong with it. And then upon closer inspection, I can see some sort of rust and corrosion on the bottom hinges that support the mirror doors, which actually shouldn't be too surprising, right? Since the medicine cabinet goes into a bathroom and is usually placed above a sink that also has a faucet that sprays water. I guess my real question is, how is the wood in such good shape while the hinges are corroding away? A split second after having that thought process, I decided to stop overthinking whatever I was thinking and decided to take my friend up on his little project. And also at this point, I don't know who was helping who, because mentally, I was in such a creative drought that I didn't even know what my next YouTube video was going to be at this time. But he doesn't know that, so he will owe me a favor for this favor I'm doing for him. I started by cleaning the most noticeable thing, which are these cabinet hinges. Sometime between the camera gantry video and this one, I end up acquiring a new toy. Meet my new sandblasting cabinet. I got this at a garage sale for $50 for just the cabinet and had to put more money to building the base, getting new gloves, and replumbing the air lines using high-flow air compressor fittings. I'm using my Dremel and a 120 grit flat wheel to smooth out and scratch the surface in order to fill the pitted area with some 2-part epoxy. Now I'm using a palm sander to quickly sand the epoxy down. There was no other way around finishing these hinges in their current condition without painting them. So I decided to go with a Rust-Oleum filler primer with a Rust-Oleum metallic chrome finish. I went to my local Ace Hardware and purchased some new stainless steel screws. If I remember correctly, they were 29 cents a piece, which was roughly over $7 for 24 screws. With these top cabinet hinges still being relatively good condition, I decided to go a different route in terms of finishing. Instead of sanding these hinges down, I decided to repolish them using a general green polish bar, and again using my Dremel and the felt polishing wheels to help me complete this job. After that, I hit it with some chrome polish to try to get a better shine out of it. For the last stage of polishing, I use Meguiar's Gold Class Wax to protect it from the elements. To tidy up the rest of this project, I used Dawn soap and water to clean up the initial debris and dust that settled on the mirrored glass. And for that final touch, I use spray away glass cleaner to get that streak-free shine. If you are interested in any of the products I use, there will be Amazon affiliate links below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this refresher. And thanks for watching.